Hello, thank you for checking out this video. Today I'm coming to you with 20 work from home jobs for 2020, and I hope that any one of these 20 work from home jobs is going to help you put some money in your pocket, gain you some income for what's going on right now in this world today. Starting off with number one is called DigitalOMO in New York City. And you can make up to $2,000 to $4,000 a month. I mean, it's better than nothing, right? And you're going to be an appointment setter, and this is 100% remote, meaning you're going to work from the comforts of your home or your computer. Two is called PERSE Beauty, Brooklyn, New York, customer service rep. Part-time positions are available in Brooklyn, New York. Three is called Lead Foot Digital Sales, New York City, appointment setter, $14 to $18 an hour, 100% remote as well. Four is called Between, btwn, New York City, a freelance illustrator, $15 to $20 an hour. Make sure you stay with me to the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of these 20 work from home jobs for 2020. Number five is called Parallon New York City, customer advisory, Monday through Friday only. So you're going to be working Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday is for you. Number six is called ACI Information Group, New York, virtual telecommuting position, part-time position. And this is in New York, work from home, virtual. So you don't have to worry about getting on the train and going to New York. If you live in New York, it's awesome. But you're going to be working from home, so it's all good. Seven is called Teal in New York City. Career guide, full benefits, and they give you and you have a 401k. Eight is called State Farm, Great Neck, New York, claim specialist. And they have a competitive salary and benefits. Number nine is called Grifols. This is Grifols shared services in North America, meaning anywhere in the United States. Customer service specialist. You get full benefits. Dental, medical, eyewear, whatever they have, full benefits. 10 is called SkyLab Sound Studio, New York City, a salesperson for music production company, $10 to $12 an hour, and this is a part-time position. So if you need a little bit extra money, they need you, and they need you in New York City, but you got to be living in New York City, and this is a work from home job, and they pay you $10 to $12 an hour, and it's a part-time position, and they are still hiring. 11 is called TechScore.com, Roslyn Heights, New York, customer relations job, customer relation, and this is a part-time position. Number 12 is Wesley International, Scottsdale, Georgia, remote client satisfaction coordinator. You need 1 year in customer service experience. 13 is called AmTrust Financial Services, and this is Alpharetta, Georgia, customer service, and they will and you have full benefits. After 30 days, you will get full benefits. 14 is called Osland Digital Marketing in Atlanta, Georgia, sales closer, a sales closer. Average monthly compensation after 2 months is $500 to $1,000 a month. Compensation after 2 months, so I want to emphasize that average monthly compensation is you're going to be getting compensated, and you could get from $500 to $1,000 a month. 15 is called Ultra Investment Corp, and this is in Dallas, Texas, virtual real estate sales, $2,000 to $8,000 a month, and full-time and part-time positions are available. You can make from $2,000 to $8,000 a month. But think about that for a little bit. 16 is called Rand Oil and Gas in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. Sales acquisition for full-time and part-time positions are available as well. 7 is called I-One's Branding, Dallas, Texas, administrative assistant, $12 to $16 an hour, and they have part-time positions available, and this is 100% remote as well. All of these is 100% remote, so you don't have to worry about coming out your home, getting on the bus or the train, or driving. It's from the comforts of your home. 18 is called David Allen Capital Incorporated, business to business, B2B sales consultant, $60,000 to $75,000 a year. 19 is called Zeus Living, anywhere in the United States you can work, support specialist, 100% remote. 20 is Blaze Renewals, $12 to $50. Let me repeat that. $12 to $50 an hour. And this is in Coachella Valley, California. Appointment setter. If you live in Coachella Valley, California area, and you find it interesting where you can make up to $12 to $50 an hour, click on the link and start the process. Don't wait, because people are looking for jobs. And this is an appointment setter, full-time and part-time, plus you get commission. So you get base pay plus a commission. So think about that one. That's pretty good if you live in Coachella Valley, California. You must live in Coachella Valley, California. And they will pay you for your training. If you find any one of these 20 work from home jobs interesting for 2020, click on the link, start the process. Don't forget to share the video if you may know somebody that may need a work from home job. Your cousin, relative, in-law, friend, family, cousins, sister, brother, share the video and help them out. I hope that I helped you out with this video. With that being said, I want to say thank you for hanging out with me. My name is Joanne, and I hope you have a wonderful and safe day. And stay safe. Wash your hands, wear your masks, and practice social distancing. I feel that I need to say that because, a lot of people ain't wearing their masks. A lot of people ain't washing their hands. I don't understand. I don't get it. Protect yourself and protect others. Practice social distancing. So I just hope that any one of these 20 work from home jobs is going to keep you safe. You're going to be in your home. You ain't got to worry about coming out in the street. You ain't got to worry about getting on the bus, driving your car, getting on the train. Because it's not, honestly, I don't think it's safe. So working from home is one of the best ways right now to be safe and for you and your family. But I want to say thank you for coming to my channel and checking out this video. And I hope that any one of the 20 work from home jobs is going to put some money in your pocket. Today is Friday, so Monday start the process, because all you gotta do is click on the link and they'll tell you what you need to do and go from there. Thank you so much for checking out this video, hanging out with me, and I appreciate you. Bye bye for now.